What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacey, and I'm back today with another video. From the title, you already don't know what your girl are gonna cook. Some Escovitch saltfish. Who wanna love that? Guys, right here I have two nice pieces of saltfish. I've been soaking these saltfish in water all night long to take off some of the, the salt out of it, because we don't need all that extra salt. We're gonna go ahead now and just clean this saltfish up. Just give it a nice little clean up. Take off the scale, anything that's not on it that shouldn't be on it. Now guys, this saltfish right now is very soft, so you want to be really careful with it so it don't break up. You see how easy the skin is coming off? Yes. Just go ahead and clean it up. Take off any scale off your saltfish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run some water over it to make sure we get a clean surface to work with. Alright, so at this point what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and just slice it. Just give it a slice so we can have pieces to work with. Now in this piece I have bone, and you must be wondering why should I take out the bone. Me personally, I like it, so I'm going to leave it in there. Understand? So if I was cooking it for somebody else, I would take it out. But to become me, I cook it for myself, I'm gonna leave it in there. Alright. And this right here, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean that out. Yeah, clean that out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my saltfish one more time just to make sure that anything that's on the board, it don't get on the saltfish and all that other stuff. So I'll be right back. Alright, so my saltfish is clean and ready to go. I'm going to lay them on this paper towel right here because I'm going to go ahead and pat them dry. As I said, be very careful with them because you don't want them to start breaking apart because it's very soft. Just gonna go ahead and give them a squeeze. Make sure they're patted really good. Just go in and just pat them and try to take out as much water as you can. Alright, so let's go over to our frying pot where we're going to be frying these babies up. Alright, so right here I have my pot on medium heat. Whenever I'm cooking fish or fried chicken or whatever, I like to jazz up my oil. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in there, and I'm also going to be dropping 2 garlic in there as well, just to flavor up the oil. Alright, once this kind of releases flavor into the oil, I'll come back and then we'll start frying up these saltfish. Alright, let's go ahead and start frying up our saltfish. Alright, so we want to allow both sides to fry for about a good 2 to 3 minutes until it comes to a golden brown. You also want to be careful because, you know, it might still have some water still inside of it, so it might crack oil. So, you know, just be careful. So we're just going to allow this to cook on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright? Then I'll come back when it's time to flip. Alright, let's go ahead and flip our saltfish. You see how golden brown it looks? This is exactly how you want your saltfish to look. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let the other side fry until it's golden brown, just like this. Alright, then I'll be right back. Alright, so now we have our saltfish, aka codfish, all fried up, looking golden crispy. We're going to go ahead and head back over to the stove and make our Escovitch sauce. You ready? Let's go! Alright, so right here I have my pot on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and into my pot I'm going to add a half a cup of vinegar. Whoa, okay. We're gonna add a half a cup of vinegar with all the extraness, steaming and all that other stuff going on. And to my vinegar I'm going to add some pimento seed. We want the pimento seed to kind of cook with the vinegar to kind of release its natural, you know, aroma, whatever you want to call it, into the vinegar. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of water. Alright. So let this come to a little bit of simmer. And then we're going to be adding right here I have some pepper and some carrots on top. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. And underneath the bottom I have some onions. Let's go ahead and add that in there as well. We have some green bell pepper, and also we have some red pepper, sweet pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add everything to this pot. Now I'm just going to get my handy dandy spoon and mix all of this up. Alright, so to my pot I'm going to be adding some garlic powder. And onion powder. A little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to be adding any salt, but I'm going to be adding some seasoned oil. Now this is optional. If you don't want to use seasoned oil, you can use anything that you desire. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little mix. And I'm going to cover this until my season is tender, and everything kind of incorporates with everything that's going on in the pot. Now again, this is also optional. You can add a little bit of sugar in there if you want. With the acidic of the vinegar and the sugar come together, make it a really nice blend. You can do that. I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm just going to leave that part out, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let this do its thing. And when it's time and it's ready, we're going to come back. All right, our SALTFISH sauce is ready. We don't want to, you know, overdo it to make, you know, the carrots mushy. We want to still get that little crunch. So we're going to go ahead and take this off and put it over our SALTFISH, and then we will be all done. All right, let's go ahead and put our sauce over our SALTFISH. SALTFISH. All right, guys, there you have it. What can I say? Alright guys, here is the final look of my fried SALTFISH and Escovitch sauce. Oh my god guys, I can't even talk. My mouth is like literally running water. Guys, if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Guys, until next time, bye.